Hey traders, before we get into the video, we got to take care of the legal stuff here. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to read the disclaimer. Basically what it says is I am not a financial advisor. Everything contained in this video is for educational purposes only. The information contained in this video is not an invitation or advice to buy, sell, or trade any specific security. You should be aware of all of the risks associated with securities trading and seek advice from an independent financial advisor prior to executing any trades. Now, if you do choose to trade based off of any information in this video, you do so at your own risk. Now, with that out of the way, let's jump into the content. Hey guys, what's up? It's Ace coming to you October 12th, 2021, 9:57 p.m. here in Cali. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, I have been wanting to make this video as I have had a lot of you reach out to me and you've said, hey Ace, I love your YouTube channel. I love your content. I'm a newer trader. I've just been reading some books or some internet websites. I don't know a whole lot, or I'm brand new and I don't know anything about this, but I'm super interested in it. How did you learn how to trade? Where do I go to learn what you know? How do I get this knowledge? There's so many people saying they'll teach me. They want me to pay all this money. I don't want to get taken advantage of. Do you have any resources or can you point me in the right direction? Guys, this is your video. This is going to answer all those questions. We've got a ton to cover, so I just want to jump into it right away. Hopefully the video won't run too long, okay? So real quick, guys, before we get into the nitty-gritty, I did want to really address something, and that is the shocking truth that 90% of all traders lose money in the financial markets. Now, I'm not telling you guys this to discourage you at all. Okay, I'm telling you guys this because I want you to be the 10% that actually are able to survive in this market and pull money out of the market and bring it home to your family so you have a better life. Okay, the reason why these 90% of traders fail, these are some of the top reasons right here. We're going to touch on each one briefly. Number one pitfall, lack of education and mentorship. Guys, let me ask you, would you become a doctor and perform surgery on someone without attending medical school first? Assuming the answer is no. Then why would anyone think they could go and become a trader without attaining the proper training, education, and mentorship? Yet people do it every day. They throw their money at the market, they lose. It's probably the biggest pitfall, is just not knowing what they're doing. Pitfall number two, little to no money management skills. How many of you guys think the best traders are those who make a ton of money? If you think they're the best traders, you're wrong. The best traders are always the best money managers. It really doesn't mean a hill of beans if you can go into the market and make money one time or two times. The question is, can you keep your profits and then can you compound them over time? That is how wealth is created. Pitfall number three, ignoring market cycles and global events. Guys, most new traders, they open a trading account, and the minute their account is funded, they start throwing their money at all the sexy names. And you guys know what I'm talking about. Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, Netflix. They're hoping to win on those trades. They don't give a second thought to the market as a whole, what's moving it, the economic factors behind the move, or even sector or industry trends and rotation. Pitfall number four, trading based off of tips and news. Guys, professional traders don't blindly trade on any tips or suggestions from anyone. It just doesn't happen. What professional traders do is if they get a tip, they use their skills to evaluate it for themselves. They evaluate that tip through fundamental and technical analysis to see if there's even a real trading opportunity there to begin with. Pitfall number five, letting emotions guide decisions. Guys, fear and greed are the two most powerful emotions that professional traders must control if they want to be profitable. New traders don't have this control. They end up cutting their winning trades early. They let their losing trades run on, hoping the trade will turn around. They are trading without emotional discipline. And if you do this, guys, I promise you, you'll blow your trading account out quicker than anything else. Pitfall number six, trying to get rich quick. Most newbie traders come into the market not knowing much, and they swing for the fences, guys. They're trying to hit the home run, the grand slam. They try to outsmart the markets with frequent buying, frequent selling. They over leverage their positions. They place high payout, low probability trades believing that they're going to win, and they wind up losing. So if you can avoid these major pitfalls, you have a really good chance of becoming part of that 10% of professional traders that make money out of the market. So what separates profitable traders from the herd? Guys, it's called having an edge. Okay. What is an edge? An edge in trading is that special element that special element in your trading that allows you to be profitable. Guys, a trader's edge can be something different to every trader. To one trader, it could be their trading plan. To another trader, it might be their money management skills. To a third trader, it might be recognizing and acting upon chart patterns. It could be a trader's ability to read level 2 quotes and finding hidden trading opportunities within them. It could be a certain trading style or strategy that fits really well with their personality. For me and the community that I'm with, it's all about following the smart money through unusual options activity or dark pool data prints. Guys, trading divergences, huge and powerful. I just made a video about that right before this video. Go check it out. You might find it to be interesting. The whole point is edge is unique and different to each trader, just as price action is unique to every single chart you're going to come across. Now, here's the sad part. Most traders don't have an edge, because they've never bothered to develop one through proper training and mentorship. Guys, take this to the bank. All successful traders have an edge. You cannot be successful without one. Okay? So where do I go to learn the skills I need? Guys, when I started out in my journey 11 and a half years ago, the only options available to me was either A, going back to college and studying finance, B, paying some financial guru to teach me and praying to God I didn't get taken advantage of, or C, self-study. And I chose self-study. So I spent the next 7 years figuring it all out. I spent those years scouring the internet for knowledge and information. I blew out four trading accounts, and I spent well into the 5 figures losing my money on trades to figure it out. And after all that trial and error, I finally became a profitable trader, I'm happy to say, in 2016. Now, does real training and mentorship even exist outside of a university education? Absolutely, 100% yes. But you have to know where to go to find it, because there's still the gurus out there who will take your money and teach you nothing. Okay? Or you can try to go the self-study course like I did, and then you get those same pitfalls like I've dealt with, which was massive amounts of time spent scouring the internet for knowledge and blowing out trading accounts trying to figure it all out, and not really having a mentor or somebody that you can guide you and teach you so you can learn quicker and avoid all those pitfalls. Or guys, you could become part of a trading community that is truly vested in teaching you how to trade and develop an edge. You might be saying, why would they want to teach me? The reason is because in a trading community, the more traders that are trained and know how to trade and know what to look for in the market can share trading ideas with the entire community. So what happens is when you have a bunch of traders all looking at the market at the same time, looking for opportunities and sharing them, the entire community becomes more profitable together because everyone's working as one big gigantic team. It's truly a win-win situation for everyone. So I love this graphic here. Difficult doesn't mean impossible. It simply means you have to work hard. And guys, that is the most truest thing when it comes to trading. Nothing in life that's worth it comes easy. Remember that. And trading is no different. It's not rocket science, but it does take time, patience, and determination. So, you want to learn the skill and you want to learn it properly, you're going to do it through a trading community that's vested in your success. It's really the best, least expensive, and most reliable way to learn how to be a successful trader. Guys, that trading community I'm talking about is BlackBox Stocks, and more specifically, their education program. Okay? It is founded in the foundation, principles, concepts, and strategies. Those are the 4 pillars that will make a good professional trader, and those are the 4 places that they focus on. They focus on teaching and honing each trader in those different pillars. Okay? So in the BlackBox Stocks Trader Education Program, there's really some different things I want to discuss here with you. First and foremost, I love this quote, "Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day." That is so true for this, because really trading comes down to some core disciplines and concepts. And once they're mastered, and then you master the strategies after that, you're done. You're done. At that point, it becomes second nature. And now that's where the fun really begins, because now you get to go into the market, you get to find your opportunities, and you get to extract money out of the market and bring it home to your family. So first and foremost, knowledge is the beginning. At BlackBox Stocks, education is a key component of their trading system. So it all begins with learning. You're going to get access to instructors, guys. BlackBox Stocks offers a wide range of live classes taught by professional traders that cover many different topics, all of which are designed to ensure their members ascertain a deep understanding of the core trading fundamentals they're going to need to become profitable traders. Now, the beautiful thing about this is you can either learn live or you can learn in an on-demand learning environment. So if you're unable to attend live classes, recordings from previous classes are available on demand. You get to go ahead and study at your own pace at a time that's convenient for you. Last but not least, access to additional resources. Every Friday, a new homework list comes out. It's posted, and it includes additional educational resources so that members can supplement their learning journey and achieve their goals even faster. So it's about learning the core concepts, and it's about how we can do that and get it to you in an expedited fashion so you can get to the point of being a truly profitable and professional trader. So, guys, with that being said, I thought it would be really neat to take you inside of the Stock and Options Basic Live webinar. I'm going to go ahead and bring this on board here onto the screen in just a moment. And literally, we're going to jump into a class that's already in session. And what I've done through the power of editing is I've edited down what is normally a 3.5-hour class to about 4 minutes or so of just some of the really cool key conceptual points that they're talking about, how easy they make it to understand the concepts. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this, and I'll hop back in here when the video's done, okay? So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you here in just a moment.
So what I've elected to do is I'm going to open up the fire hose, throw a whole bunch of information at you. And then I'm going to tell you the areas where you need to focus so you'll have all the concepts. Don't expect all of them to stick. And probably by the time this class is over with, your head's going to be hurting just a little bit. But just bear with it, okay? So you're going to get a copy of the guys. I am a black box baby. I am proof of the power of the system. I didn't know anything about trading when I got here, and everything that I know today came as part of my association with BlackBox. The community was absolutely phenomenal, sort of took me in underneath their wings, and were a tremendous help. But guys, I don't want you to think that I just paid my membership dues and then slept at a Holiday Inn and woke up the next day and was a ridiculously profitable trader. No, I work my butt off even today. And so trading is something that I'm very passionate about. So it was easy for me to invest lots and lots of hours. But BlackBox, I don't think I could be here without them. Now we have this algo-based platform in BlackBox that helps. But the other thing that we have is we're approaching 4,500 members. So that means we have 9,000 eyeballs also looking at the market. And you're able, like I said, to kind of cheat some of the time in the market by being able to leverage those 9,000 eyeballs, whether it's news, chart setups, different trading strategies, different approaches to the market. Okay, so you guys are going to hear me say this a lot. Process versus profits. New traders or amateurs are solely focused on the color of the trade. They're just jumping into everything and saying, oh, if it's a green trade, it's good. If it's a red trade, it's bad. They're not analyzing anything. If you are not analyzing what you are doing, there's no way to create a process. You just can't. And that's what we're doing, right? We've got to take something that we can repeat over and over and over again. I want you to look at these candles. Downside action, staying below the 8. This candle is getting pushed up. I'm seeing this price action. Every candle is telling you a battle between buyers and sellers, okay? So look, this battle, I've got a doji. This battle, I've got a doji. And then this price gets pushed up, and then this candle pops up. This is what we call turtling when in the room. And a turtle just means that it's breaking through a previous resistance. Or a previous high, or to the downside, a previous low. So this would have been the previous high. This is where you see it breaking above. And look, it pops above the 8. I've got good sized candles popping above the 8. little bit of consolidation, but I'm still staying above the 8, and I have volume coming in. This little green line right here is an average volume. It's calculating 20 periods. So I can look at that green line and instantly say, all right, do I have volume above or below that? Volume is like nitrous in a car. It's going to give us that push. It gives us that momentum. So if I go into Apple, and you can see that with this order window, I can trade both stocks and options. So I'm going to say Apple, it's going to give me the last trade. It's going to give me the current bid and ask. So for Apple, I've got a bid ask spread of 2 cents. What type of order would I place? Market or limit? Based on my rules, I'm going to place a market order. It's a 2-cent spread. So I'm going to buy 100 shares, place this market order, and I press buy. Okay. Now, before I ever press buy, what did I already know? What research have I done? I know 2 things before I press this buy button. Actually, I know 4, but 2 that I want you to tell me. 2 things. I know my risk reward, and I know where my X is going to go. What's the X? I know where my stop is going to go. All right. Now we're going to look at moneyness. And moneyness is simply looking at how much real value do you have in the option, right? If you buy a stock, you know what the value is, right? If you paid $10 for the stock, you got $10 in value. Well, with options, you've got 3 different flavors. You can be in the money, at the money, or out of the money. And each one of those will have a different relationship to real value. We are at the end of this week's Stock and Options Basics class. I'm going to have to pop off of here and close this out. If you guys have any questions, please, you can reach out to me anywhere. More importantly, I hope that you've learned a lot. If you have any feedback, I'm going to ask that you send me an email to Teresa@blackboxstocks.com. Good, bad, or indifferent. Guys, I don't take it personally. I really want these classes to be the absolute best that they can be, and it can only improve with your feedback. So I'm going to hop into the next class. Hopefully I'll see a few of you, and we're going to take all of this information and apply it to the Black Box system. I'll see you guys in just a few. Bye.
So guys, what did you think? Pretty cool, huh? And that lady that you heard teaching, her name is Teresa, and she is absolutely an amazing woman. I have so much respect for her, not only as a trader, but as a person. Teresa is truly a walking, talking, living, breathing example of what the Black Box educational platform can do for somebody who has absolutely no trading experience, because she came to BlackBox with 0, just like you guys, brand new, did not know anything, and here she is 4 short years later, or almost maybe 5 now years later, and she's an instructor, and she's a moderator, and she's a professional trader. So there is no more proof or better proof of the kind of educational power that BlackBox brings to people to learn these concepts, to learn wealth creation, to learn trading. It is absolutely amazing. She's amazing, and she really has a passion for teaching new traders how to go ahead and become profitable, successful, professional traders. So this is Teresa. She's amazing. Like I said, I have the highest level of respect for her, and she was the one you heard in that class, and she teaches that class ongoing. So if you do come on board with us, you'll be getting to know her quite well, and like I said, you'll definitely enjoy your time with her. So guys, step 1, learn the basics. You have to start with the basics, understanding the core foundations and concepts. It's critical in trading, and without it, nothing else matters, because without the basics, you can't go to the next level. And most people fail here because they don't embrace the concepts like market cycles, sector rotation, money management. It sounds complicated, guys, but I promise you, it's really not. It just takes a little bit of time and effort, and then these concepts literally become second nature very quickly. Okay. Step 2, learn the system. Once you get the basics and the foundations down, then the Black Box stocks instructors and professional traders are going to teach you how to be successful in the markets by having an edge. The edge for our community is literally the platform and the system that they bring to the table. It allows us to be able to spot and follow the smart money. We can see their trades, when they're getting in, when they're getting out. It is unbelievable. And once again, as professional traders, we come together and we view the market landscape, we ascertain trading opportunities, and we execute on those setups. And every trader empowers a community, like I said earlier, by sharing their analysis of trade setups, entries, and exits. It's in this way that we work as a team. We keep as many eyes on the market as possible, always searching for the best money-making opportunities. Guys, this is why they're vested in teaching you. This is why they're vested in taking you from not knowing anything to helping you become a profitable professional trader, because you will help the community once you know what you're doing by finding trading opportunities and sharing it back with everybody else. Okay? So with that being said, guys, there is so much more than just education. Originally, before the educational program, they had this system built for experienced traders, and you do get access to everything here that you're seeing on your screen, and even more that I could not put on the screen. And that is all included. So when you're part of the community, yes, you're getting the education, you're getting taught, but once you know what you're doing, you're going to have all this data and all of this information, these powerful resources at your disposal to help you find the absolute best trading opportunities out there in the market. So once again, you can bring money home to your family and create a better lifestyle for you and your loved ones. Guys, I just want to touch real quick on the bottom one in green. Real-time trade alerts from the BBS Pro traders sent via Twitter and Discord. That's right. These instructors and professional traders and moderators that are part of the BlackBox team, every time they get in and out of a trade, they alert you. So you know what they're trading. You know when they're getting into a position, out of a position. And if you choose, you can go into those positions with them. Okay. And that is just huge. It's like icing on top of the cake. Amazing education. All of this information, all of this data, all of this powerful technology. And then on top of that, you also get to know what their real-time trades are and how they're making money and knowing exactly when they get in and when they get out. Just simply amazing. Now, guys, I've done a lot of talking here, but literally don't take my word for it. You can see they have reviews upon reviews upon reviews upon reviews upon reviews of traders who have gone in to the BlackBox program, learned, became part of the community, and now they're thriving financially and they're doing well. Let's just read a couple of these here real quick. BlackBox Stocks brings not only a community but a family together to trade every single day, where members have the advantage of learning different terms, plays, charts, dark pools efficiently as they can, while also taking classes from BlackBox and alerts to guide their path to financial freedom. Excellent service. Here's another guy. Great service and guidance for a newbie like me. I am comfortable trading options 3 weeks in based on flow. Wow. 3 weeks. That is huge. From zero to hero in 3 weeks. Okay. Good for you, James. I see, let's see, what does he say? Steadily making money and more importantly, learning. More importantly, learning. I love how he closed that sentence because it's always about learning, guys. I've been trading 11 and a half years and I still learn something new. I really do. When I get into the markets, it's one of those things where it's an ongoing journey, regardless of how long you've been in the markets. There's always something new to learn. BlackBox rocks. Knowledge, experienced, and helpful BlackBox staff moderators that help you learn and succeed as a trader. Extensive classes, tutorials that help lessen the learning curve and get you started trading quickly. Worth every penny and then some. That's Denise. Over here we have Artie. Great application and resources with the added benefit of free education via webinars. You also get access to a Discord, which is worth it on its own. The moderators are friendly and they try their best to answer your questions while encouraging you to learn for yourself. That is important because if you don't learn, you don't retain. If you don't retain, you don't know. And it's all about learning. I love this one here. First day using the service and I'm shaking. I made over $600 today being very conservative with the trades called out on Discord voice and some of the flows posted. Once again, guys, the traders call out their trades in real time. I could have easily made $1,000 today with this service. If I can consistently do this, I feel like I may see a complete turnaround in my portfolio. That is just absolutely amazing. And, I'm just going to read one more. I'm going to pass these two up because I know the video is getting a little longer. You can pause the video, read them for yourself. Absolutely superb experience. I have an MBA in finance, and I've learned more in 2 months with the BlackBox stocks than I did with 2 years in the classroom. The moderators and instructors are very experienced and knowledgeable. They will patiently guide the members through sometimes tricky material, and they are sincerely interested in helping all members become more expert and successful traders. And the library of educational material is very extensive and will add a great deal of technical knowledge to anyone who's willing to learn. I heartily endorse BlackBox stocks and will remain a member for life. Wow, that is just an amazing review. And guys, I don't want you to think I just copy and pasted these, from somewhere. This is legitimately on our Google reviews website. I should say BlackBox stocks Google review website. 518 reviews, 5 stars. 518 5-star reviews. That in itself is absolutely amazing. Here's the reviews here. Look at this. It's a best place if you're a beginner to learn trading options. A best place if you're a beginner to learn. That is just amazing. And so you can go in here, guys, and you can click on more reviews and look at all these reviews. 500 plus reviews, just on and on, all 5 stars, all people talking about their amazing experiences being part of this community. Okay, so guys, definitely I will put the link down below in the comments, or not in the comments, excuse me, the link down below in the description, so you can click here and you can read these reviews for yourself before you decide to come on board and go ahead and allow yourself to become a BlackBox member and to be mentored by the BlackBox team. Okay, so guys, here it is. Learn, trade, grow, BlackBox stocks. What you see right here in green is my affiliate link. I am a very proud affiliate with BlackBox. I've been with them since before their inception. And if you want to go ahead and give this a shot and you use this link right here in green, you will get your first month for $79.97, and then every month after that is $99.97 per month. Guys, there are no commitments, no contracts. You can cancel anytime you want, okay? But if you're like the other 518 people that gave us a review and the thousands of members that we have on board, you're going to be with us hopefully for forever, because we would love to have you as part of the family. We want you to learn with us. We want you to trade with us. We want you to grow with us. We want you to achieve financial freedom with us, because guys, right now, things are getting crazy. I think you understand what I mean. We have the price of gas rising sharply, supply chain crunches, the increase and cost of everything from toilet paper to food, the political landscape. This is the most volatile time a lot of us have ever lived through. And financially, things are tough for a lot of people. And having a skill like this can be an absolute game changer in terms of having financial freedom to not only weather the storm, but to be able to go ahead and give an amazing lifestyle to you and your family that you deserve. So with that being said, my friends, please like this video and please click the bell icon so you get alerted to my future videos. But I really do want to get this video out to as many people as possible, and your likes really help that with the YouTube algorithms. So please like the video. Be sure to click that bell icon so you know when my next videos are coming out. I have a ton of new content on the way. If you have any questions at all, I answer every single comment. Leave them down below. Once again, guys, if you do want to go ahead and give this a shot, also down below in the description will be this URL link that you see in green on your screen. Be sure to click that link. When you go through the checkout, that is when you're going to see the discount applied. You will not see it until you get into the shopping cart software, into the checkout, and then you'll see that $20 come off. So your first month will only be $79.97. And once you're on board with us, guys, if you do decide you want to stay, there are actual annual prices where if you decide you want to go annually with BlackBox, you will save a ton of money, and you can always get that information directly from a moderator or from a instructor. They can guide you on how you can switch your membership from monthly to annual if you choose to do so. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. This is your path to becoming a professional trader. I can't wait to see you all inside of the Discord channel, inside the community. Please say hi to me when you see me. Let's chat, let's trade together, let's make money together. Have a wonderful evening, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.